Hey chillers, good morning and welcome to another episode of Makeup and Chill with Woodpecker. On this episode, I'm going to be showing you my morning routine and my no makeup look. So get you, well, not a glass of wine, get you some orange juice and come right back. Alright, now that my face is nice and clean and pat dried, I'm going to put on my Alpha Arbutin Serum from The Ordinary. Then I'm going to put on my amino acids from The Ordinary. I know why I do these, and maybe I'll do a video on why I use those products in another episode. But today we're just going to show you what my routine looks like for the morning. At this point, I am going to be using a tinted moisturizer from ColourPop. This is in medium, it's a little light, so I'm going to have to put on just a darker shade of concealer or foundation so that I don't look cakey. But this is the moisturizer that has hyaluronic acid and it's tinted, so it's gonna give me like I have on. Yeah, you'll see. Let's go. 2 pumps is all I need, and I'm going to use a brush to put that on, just because I don't want to mess my fingers up. But if you notice, it's just a little bit lighter and I don't want to look ashy or cakey. So I'm gonna mix that with, it is a moisturizer, guys. So I'm moisturizing my whole face. Get everywhere. Be sure when you're buying your tinted moisturizer, if you do buy one, that you match your skin tone. I bought this off online, and I guess I'm a little darker than medium. So, but we're not gonna waste it, so we're gonna make do. So like I said, I'm going to add just a little bit of foundation, just a teeny tip. Look, just a teeny tip of foundation, just to correct the lightness that is in this tinted moisturizer. Just bringing some color to my face. And I'm going to spread this all around. I really don't wear makeup to work, guys. I'm a kindergarten teacher. There ain't no time for that. All I'd be hearing all day is, oh my gosh, Miss Bird, you look this way, you, oh my God. No, we ain't got time for that. I gotta teach these kids. Also, I'm not a morning person, so I don't have time to be standing in front of the mirror doing a full face beat for 5-year-olds. Got me? So this is what we do. And now I think I look a little bit more like my skin color. Now I'm gonna do my brows, and it's not gonna be that usual brow tutorial that you see. It's just with this pencil. So my brows are pretty sparse and they're kind of non-existent. So I like to darken them, especially if I have no makeup on. I mean, darken them when I have makeup on. I just darken them all together. They just look non-existent to me, and I need to fix that. So I'm just gonna use this brow pencil from LA Colors, and I'm just filling it in. I'm not even creating any lines or anything like that. I just want my brows to be visible. The tinted moisturizer, as well as the little bit of foundation from Pageant Boss's Beauty Stop. takes away the little blackness that I have on my face, and I want to bring that back. And even without those things, my eyebrows, like I said, are pretty non-existent. So you just see me doing short strokes here just to bring color to my face. It's not even perfect because I want them to look as natural as possible. And yeah, they're bushy. At least now I look like I have on some brows. But this is my no makeup look, so voila. Anyways, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm not putting on any makeup whatsoever, so I'm just gonna put liner here and like smudge it out with my finger. And this is the same brown pencil that I was using for my eyebrow. And I'm gonna just smudge it out there. Nothing major because it's a no makeup look. Not even using many brushes. Then I'm gonna get some mascara. I most certainly do not put on lashes to go to school or to go to work. I can't do it. Kudos to you ladies who put on lashes every single day. Or even get lashes done and put in the individual lashes. Kudos to you. I did it once. It wasn't that bad, but I couldn't wash my face the way I usually do, and that annoyed me. So once in a lifetime. And then to finish this look, I'm going to be using this lippy from Pageant Boss. It's Beauty Stop by Pageant Boss. And it's a lip gloss. Well, it's more like a pink lip. It's a nice and moist lip gloss from Beauty Stop by Pageant Boss. I'm not going to put much more of that on there, but I'm going to spread it around. This may be a little too light. I usually play with it. Play. Let me go darken it. And then the last thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and spray on this Bear With Me Prime Set and Refresh. Done for the day. And there you have it, my no makeup look and morning routine. Now I gotta go get my kids ready for their class, so I'll see y'all later. Join me again next time on Makeup and Chill with Woodpecker. Thanks for watching. Bye.